Hi, Rachel Desai from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from Mobile India Congress 2025. And today I have John with me from Ciena. Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you brief me about your company?
Yeah, so we are Ciena Communications. We are the world's leader in optical and routing and switching products. We also have a suite of automation software that is taking care of network management, orchestration, and includes building networks for AI. So AI capable networks. That is what.
That's great. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So for us, this year we are highlighting a number of our innovative products. What you can see here on the shelf, which is our 8192, which is an 800 gig router, the first from Ciena. You can see our innovative decom solution, which is innovative solution for data center management, so that data centers can scale up to carry AI traffic. So it's very innovative, it's very new, and nobody else has it. So
That's great. So, are you dealing with any sort of international markets?
yes, so Ciena is a global leader in optical and routing and switching products. So we cater to almost every major vendor, telecom vendors, service providers, communication providers across the world. And not to forget hyperscalers and neoscalers too.
That's great. Awesome. So, do you have any new launches or innovations this year?
Yeah, so this year we are bringing in the DCOM solution, which is data center out of band management for reducing space and power requirements in the data center. And that is important because with AI, you're going to see a lot of data centers pop up, and this significant reduction in power drives cost savings. And this is, we're talking about huge numbers.
That's great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you so much. You have